Hello guys, before start, subscribe and don't lose these two tutorials. Hi, this is my repaint RX-93 ν Gundam ver.Ka. Let's talk about of this mobile suite. This mobile suite is used in Second Neo-Zeon War and the timeline is UC0093. This model is used by Ray and his development at Anaheim Electronics to Von Braun. This Gundam is the first equipped with fin funnel and incorporating the psychoframe technology. The ν Gundam was able to utilize psycho weapon and channel the emotions and mental energy of suitable new type pilot. Now, explain the transformation with energy of psychoframe out. In original series, the ν Gundam do not transform. Okay, let's start to open the chest, to slide the part of down, left and right part on the top, and you can see the frame is open. Next step, on the shoulder, slide left and right. The transformation is more easy, but with the paint model, make it more careful. Pull down the top of the left arm and pull down the top of the right arm. You can feel the snap. Slide up the lower part of the right arm and repeat on the left arm. You can see the psychoframe is more exposed. Next step, pull up the back of torso for expose the psychoframe on lower torso. Pull up and pull up the chest, and the psychoframe is exposed. Now push down this part and fit the part. Next, backpack, remove this part, left and right. Pull up and pull down the flap. Up the thruster and backpack is ready. Next step, on the skirt, remove right part and left part. Okay. Now on the leg, remove this part and make it the same to the other side. Now on the back part of the leg, flip up this part. You can use any tool, be careful. Flip up and pull down the leg, and the frame is exposed. Make it the same to the other leg. Remove these two parts. Flip up and pull down the leg. Push down. Next step, on the knee, slide up, left knee, and repeat on the right knee. Okay. Remove this back part on the leg and make it the same to the other leg. Now pull up this part and you can pull down the leg and the frame is exposed. Now to fit this mechanic part, you can push down this part. And repeat for the other leg. Now on the feet, slide back and the transformation is over. Okay, now let's go to the showcase with ν Gundam ver.Ka and Sazabi.